Look guys, I want you guys to get out as fast as possible from your house to wherever you need to be while looking the best possible way. And today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the morning routine that you guys should follow to make sure you guys get this done. Come on, let's be honest right now guys. All of you guys and girls out there are already fine ass people, but I'm just saying this could maybe spice you up a bit. I just want to do my best to help you guys bring out the best version that you can be. So the first thing that you guys need to do is you guys obviously need to set an alarm. Now it's important for you guys to know that waking up early is actually a key tip on how you can become successful.
Waking up in the morning increases your testosterone levels and also your metabolism that will make you feel energetic and confident all throughout the day. It's a no-brainer, this one.
All the Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk out there are all waking up at 4, 5, 6 a.m. in the morning to make sure they get ahead of their day, ahead of their competitors. Come on, that's a no-brainer. The second thing that you guys need to do when you guys wake up is obviously get some workout going on. Your goal here is in the morning that you need to try and do at least about 20 push-ups or star jumps or even as simple as stretching.
Because when you do the extra press-ups in the morning, you give yourself a pump that increases your confidence and also boosts your morals throughout the day and overall make you better looking.
Head up, chin high, and be walking around the day. Now, I'm not telling you guys to go for a full-blown gym session or run another marathon. Something as simple as doing 10 press-ups or 10 sit-ups will always make you feel confident throughout the day. Try it. But hey, check this. Over time, you'll be more skinnier, more leaner, more muscular, more athletic, and overall just helps you out as an individual person. Try it out. Now, the third thing that's one of the most important, and I think the most important bit of starting your morning would be, take care of your skin. It doesn't even have to be much. You could just always wash your face and moisturize. Wash your face and moisturize. Something as simple as that will make you feel hydrated and energetic throughout the day. Besides, you guys could even do a 2-in-1 with Amway skincare product.
I was very happy when I got introduced to this product because it acts as an effective cleanser to remove all of your pores and oils and traces of dirt that allows your skin to run smoothly. So using this, especially in the morning when you're just waking up, really freshens your skin after a bad night's rest. This product can last a very long time, and there's also discounts right at the top of the description if you sign up now.
Check this out guys, if you guys are in Malaysia or in anywhere part of the world, click the top link in the description down below to try and find out more about the Amway skincare product. Trust me, get in contact with me and we can work something out. You guys gotta be quick though because these things are flying out the window like there's no tomorrow, man. So click the top link in the description down below to try and get yours now. The fourth and final tip that I got for you guys is that you need to manage your natural hair. So many guys try to put all these kinds of products, all these hair products, all these spray paints, all this hair drying stuff, but you don't need to, because when you spend in the morning all the time trying to fix your hair, trying to go left, right, center, behind curtains, you're just gonna end up leaving your hair frizzy and dry and fighting back to its natural position. So the best way for you guys to do is find a style, find the right product, find the right hairstyle for you that goes with your natural hair. Also, once you find out where your natural hair part goes and where your natural hairstyle is, it'll be way easier to style it and get early and look as best looking in the morning as possible. And that's it guys, that's the end of this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys do hit the like button down below. Subscribe to my channel, it really helped me a lot to grow this channel with you guys. And comment down below your skincare routine. Also, don't forget the Amway skincare product will run out real soon. Trust me, it's going hot right now, so make sure you guys hit the top link in my bio to see if you guys can get one. Other than that, all my socials, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Facebook, everything will be down in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next video.